Chapter 2. The Northern Mountains. The northern and northeastern part of India have a long range of mountains. This chain of mountains is called the Himalayas. The word Himalaya means the abode of snow. It means the Himalayas are snow-clad. They are covered with ice and snow throughout the year. They look like a beautiful necklace of our beautiful country, India. Northern Mountains. Location and extent. The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. From north to east, the mountain wall covers about 2,500 kilometers with a varying depth of 240 to 320 kilometers. The Himalayas have three mountain ranges that run alongside each other. These are 1. The Greater Himalayas or the Himadri. 2. The Middle Himalayas or the Himachal. 3. The Outer Himalayas or the Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas or the Himadri. Out of all the Himalayan ranges, it is the highest range. The Greater Himalayas act like a giant wall along the northern border of India. Mount Everest, the highest peak of the world, is situated in this range. It is 8,848 meters high. It is in Nepal. The second highest peak is K2 or Godwin Austen. It is situated in India. Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, etc. are the other peaks in this region. The peaks in this range are covered with ice throughout the year. Sometimes a large body of ice crawls down very slowly. These slow-moving rivers of ice are known as glaciers. Gangotri and Yamunotri are the two famous glaciers. The river Ganga originates from Gangotri and the river Yamuna originates from Yamunotri. The Greater Himalayas. Pak Box, Moshi Malik and Tashi Malik are the first Indian twin sisters to conquer Mount Everest. The Middle Himalayas or the Himachal. The Middle Himalayas, Himachal, are not as high as the Himadri range. These lie to the south of the Greater Himalayas. There are many ranges in the Himachal range, such as the Pir Panjal range and the Dhauladhar range. The famous Kashmir Valley lies between the Greater Himalayas and Pir Panjal range. The famous valleys like Kulu and Kangra Valley are found in this range. Many of the hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling are located in this region. This range is covered with forests. Evergreen and coniferous forests are found in this range. They include broad-leaf temperate evergreen trees like oaks, laurels, chestnuts, walnuts, etc. The conifers like pines, cedar, bamboo and deodars are also found here. The climate of the Himachal region is best suited for the growth of fruits such as apples, pears, plums, apricots and peaches. The main crops grown are rice, maize and barley. Potato is also widely grown. Farmers cut flat steps in mountain slopes to grow crops. This is known as terrace or step farming. The Middle Himalayas. The Outer Himalayas or the Shivalik. The Outer Himalayas or the Shivalik. The southernmost and the lowest range in the Himalayas is the Shivalik. It consists of the low-lying hills. The hills are covered with thick forests. Here, the rainfall is heavy and the climate is cool even in the summer season. People practice agriculture and rear cattle. The area at the foothills of the Shivalik range is called the Terai region. It is a marshy land with long roofs and thick growth of trees. The government has developed a number of national parks and sanctuaries in this region. The famous Corbett National Park is located in this region. Wild animals like elephants, tigers, bears, crocodiles, etc. can be seen in the park. Jim Corbett National Park. The importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are very important for our country. They are useful to us in many ways. 1. The Himalayas are like a wall on our northern borders and protect our country from enemies. 2. They also protect us from the cold winds blowing from the north. 3. They check the rain-bearing clouds coming from Siberia. They are responsible for causing rainfall in the plains during summer. They cause monsoon type of climate in the country, without which India would have been a tropical desert. 4. The forests in the Himalayan region are home to several wild animals. They also provide us wood, medicines and other useful things. 5. Several rivers originate in the Himalayas. They provide us water and make our land fertile. Dams built over these rivers provide us electricity. The Himalayan forests. Fact box: the Himalayas grow a few centimeters each year. Let's remember. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, is the highest mountain peak in the world. The Himalayas have three rains. They are Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. River Ganga and Yamuna originate from Gangotri and Yamunotri respectively. World's treasure. Mountain range, a row of mountains. Glacier, river of ice that moves slowly. Valley, lowland between two mountains or hills. Evergreen, a green or bush with green leaves throughout the year. Terai, foothills of the Shivalik range.